Hi, I just want to tell you about my ebook that I've made for you. Discover how I made $72,286 with online courses. My name is John Colley. I'm a best-selling course instructor. I'm also a podcaster and I've done a number of online things, but what I really love doing is making online courses. And what I love even more about online courses is I can show other people just like you how you can be successful with online courses, which is why I've made this ebook for you. And what I've done is I've packed together about 8 or 9 of my very best checklists and cheat sheets so that you can get all the tips and tricks of creating fantastic online courses as quickly and as easily as possible. Very simple to digest. You can see the table of contents in the ebook here. You've got my online courses strategy, my course blueprint checklist, how to select the right course topic, how to evaluate the competition on Udemy, really important, how to write amazing course descriptions, the online course launch checklist, Udemy course SEO optimization, how to get more sales to your online course, and then a little how can I help you further. Is there any more you need? It's really packed with lots of fantastic information. And it's all available for you to download completely for free, just at the click of a button. I want you to be able to create the success that I've created, and that's what this ebook is going to help you start doing. So enter this information and I will send it straight across to you in PDF form, and you can get straight on with making your own online courses. So grab the ebook now, and I really hope you are brilliantly successful and you find it really helpful.